Okay, YouTubers, this is part 2 of my last video. It was a dirty condenser coil, very dirty. And now look at the pressure, at least on the low side. Still going up a bit. There's still water on the fins, but that seems to have worked. Now we have proper airflow on our condenser coil, and we also adjusted the fan somewhat. You can see the fan was too far in, and we brought it out a little bit just to get better airflow. And we are going to see our air temperatures inside. Until next time, keep that coil clean.